everybody, welcome back to my channel. Brittany Story here, and of course you're in Nifty space. If this is the first time you are clicking on one of my videos, please go ahead and click that subscribe button. I always forget to say this, but please click the notification bell. Okay, so I am so excited to film this video. This might be my favorite video that I'm going to film. So we are reviewing a very special product today, and this is what we're reviewing. I am so excited, you guys. I've had this for like a week now, and I wanted to wait to use it just so I can show you guys basically my first impressions, and it has been so hard, so extremely hard not to just dig my dirty little fingers in this palette. Okay, you guys, so this, if you don't know, is the AINA times Anastasia Beverly Hills collaboration on their amazing eyeshadow palette. So let's just get right into it. First off, if you don't know who AINA is, she is a beauty influencer here on YouTube. She is fabulous. She is extremely talented, funny, witty. I absolutely love her. She's super inspirational, and I just feel like her collaborating with a huge mega beauty brand like Anastasia, it's so big, especially for women of color really trying to break into the beauty industry. I just think this is such a big deal, and when I first heard about it, it just gave me chills because I'm like, wow, like this is gonna be the launch of the year. Like, this is it. And you guys, oh my gosh, okay. Please excuse my fixed lens. I need to get a new camera. I need to get a new lens, so bear with me. What I'm going to do first, I'm just gonna talk about the palette just a little bit, and then I'm gonna go ahead and just do a really nice eye look with some of the colors, and then after that, I'm going to do some swatches. Okay, so again, this is the beautiful palette. It is amazing in person. I hope all of the colors are picking up on camera. So the packaging is kind of like a, what is this, like like a crocodile type of texture, and it's really reflective, and I just absolutely love this, and I just think this is so beautiful. This is so me. I'm low-key like salty that I didn't make this, because this is like everything I love. I absolutely love this aesthetic. It's kind of like a really metallic-y, shiny, reflective material. And I seen on Twitter that Jackie's fiance, congratulations Jackie on the engagement. I thought that was so cute and awesome. Her fiance actually designed this logo, so fun fact, I absolutely love that. By the way, the pricing for this palette is $45, and you can get this at Sephora online or in store. This is also free of parabens, and it is cruelty free, which is extremely important. So I know I'm talking too much, and you guys are like, come on girl, show these damn shadows. Okay, get ready for it. Get ready. Wow. Beautiful tones. Again, super salty. I didn't make this because these are my favorite shades. And my God, I hope it's picking up on camera. And again, you guys, if not, I am going to film actually on my iPhone some swatches. So if this looks like shit, then stay tuned for the swatches at the end of the video. These are pressed pigments, also full pigment formula. There are 14 shades, and it says that there are cool to warm shades. Personally in person, I feel like these honestly look more warm toned to me, and I think that's why I was super attracted to the palette in the first place. But honestly, they're not extremely warm. these would be good for most skin tones, but this is going to be extremely flattering for medium, medium to deep, and deep skin tones. Oh my gosh, I'm kind of nervous to use it because I've just been looking at it every day and saving it for the video. Like I have not swatched these. This is untouched. It's almost too pretty to use, so all right, here we go. Okay, so the first color I'm gonna go in with, you guys probably can barely see this, but it's called Edges. It's like a beautiful matte. It's kind of like a really nice brick brown, and I think this would be great for a transition shade. So far, first impression, I feel like this blends like a dream. I feel like the shadow really kind of blends itself almost, as crazy as that seems. I'm noticing a little bit of kickback, but I feel like that's pretty common, you know, for most high pigmented shadows. Okay, so before I blend the top out, I'm gonna go ahead and go into Pinker, which it has a little bit of shimmer in person, but it's not gonna probably show since it looks more matte. This is a really pretty kind of like burgundy shade. And I'm just going to deepen this halo. Oh wow, that's really, 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 really pretty. Okay, something else that I'm noticing is that the shades layer really well. And I find not a lot of shadows do that. And honestly, once you start to spend a little bit more for eyeshadows, because $45 is honestly kind of a lot for eyeshadow, but if this is going to be like your go-to palette, I would definitely recommend it. I know some of these colors look super intimidating, but they're really soft. They're extremely pigmented, but they're soft. It doesn't look like clown makeup, if you know what I mean. So now I'm going to go ahead and buff out the edges using Ginger. This is just a really nice kind of like warm camel brown. I'm gonna go in with Zam, the shimmery shade. By the way, I absolutely love the names for these shades. Okay. That's so pretty. Oh my gosh. Okay, be careful with some of these shimmer shades. There is a little bit of fallout, a little bit more, but that's, again, common. And let me tell you, high quality shimmer, you can tell in person. You can tell in person. And then in the inner corner, I'm gonna go in with Soleil, I don't know. Basically this super pretty champagne. And this looks more of like a shimmer than Zam. Like Zam's more of a pressed glitter. So there shouldn't be any fallout with this. No, there's not at all. And then I'm gonna go back in with Edges and just go on the bottom of my eye. Okay, and then now I'm gonna deepen up the lower lash line with Credit. I have not used this shade yet. Really pretty, dark dark brown. Sorry you guys, my camera cut out, but honestly all I did was I just added a little bit of credit, just kind of right here, and then just kind of along my lash line. I added these kiss lashes and I curled them, so I feel like they look a little like interesting, but whatever. I also added the Bobbi Brown lip pencil in chocolate. It's a really pretty rich warm brown. And then I also added the Bobbi Brown Luxe lip color in pink buff. Really pretty nude for brown girls. So yeah, you guys, this is the finished look. I absolutely love it. I hope you can see everything on camera. I would give this a 10 out of 10. I think it is absolutely worth the $45. And I will say for the shades Zam and Zola's, I didn't get to use Zola's, but those seem like a pressed glitter. So just be careful with those because there's just gonna be a little bit more fallout with that. I would imagine using your ring finger to apply that would be probably a lot better than how I did it with a brush. So yes, if you like this video, thumbs up, comment below. But yeah, you guys, thank you so much for watching this, and go out and get that palette because it's limited edition. All right, you guys, bye.